Guys and girls, welcome back. Today is a big one. In fact, right behind me is going to be a brand new motorcycle dealership in North Wales. I'll put the full address on now, but I'm getting a sneak preview of the building before they do any work whatsoever. Let's go inside, let's have a look round. It's bloody massive. At the minute, there's no signs, there's nothing at all outside here to suggest it's going to be a bike dealer's. So I'm going to have to duck under to get in here. Quick knock on the doors. Let's get ourselves in.
You're my first customer.
Yes, have you got any bikes for sale?
No.
Right, I don't know whether the camera's going to do this justice, so to give you an idea of size, I'm just going to walk away from the camera just for a second. In fact, I'll walk from one side to the other so you can see just how far away we're talking. In fact, I am bloody far away. In fact, I don't even know if you can still see me on the camera, but this is just to give you an idea of just this one room, because this building is like a maze and it keeps on going and going. The plan is there's going to be workshops in here. There's going to be not one floor, but at least 2 floors that's going to be rammed with motorcycles. So it used to be in Iceland and it's going to be a motorcycle shop. I know which is better. Let's carry on looking round. This is Cole, and Cole is going to tell you what the plans are.
So we're in, you've just done the showing everybody what you can see from downstairs. This is going to be the new dealership for MotoGB. This is Chester Road Motorcycles in Shotton. So you've seen downstairs, so just going into brief details at the moment. We've only just got keys, you know this, we're really early on with this. Timescale wise, you're going to be in the next 2 months probably, that you'll be able to see something and come and see something as well.
What, as in bikes open to the public?
Yeah, it's a project going forward, so you'll see in a minute of the project that we've got of upstairs, which is going to take an awful lot longer, but it gives us scope of, yeah, you're right, anywhere between sort of 400 to 550 motorcycles. We've got people asking brands at the moment. You're going to have to watch this space for that.
So that's a trade secret at the minute?
Yeah. But you come to me at the moment at Into Moto. So you come to the store that I currently run.
Yep.
It's going to be pretty similar to Into Moto, but times 10.
I was going to say, just this room alone is probably twice, maybe 3 times the size of Into Moto.
With a lot more bits.
Well, yeah, it's got a lot more space.
Yeah.
More space.
Yeah, let's go and have a look.
Yeah, let's go. This room is massive, but you can see we've still got the fruit and veg, meat, all of that stuff. That's where all the freezers used to go. But it's such a huge space. I don't know if the echo's coming across on camera.
So we've got a few things to do. We've got 3 staircases. 1 staircase which will be used for customers and retail will be at the front of the building. It's currently blocked off, but that will be...
So that's kind of going to be in that corner?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
Going into the back part, so what we'll do is we'll squeeze through with this so it then speeds it up, but you'll get an idea of how big of a project and how big of a space we've got to fill as well. So fire exit just on your left there, and then into our space, and we'll show you upstairs.
I'll turn it into a Benny Hill moment of us running up the stairs.
Cupboards, toilets.
One for the ladies.
Yeah.
Wowza.
Yeah.
It's just another, I mean, it's huge.
So So up here, pretty similar size, square footage, however a little bit more quirky, a few more offices and sort of rooms off. But this really is our project going forward. So a lot of these need coming out, a lot of walls need coming out, but this is not far off the same space as what you've got downstairs. Ideas for up here, we've had anything from small cafe, food, drink. There's definitely provision for putting another 100 or 150 bikes upstairs. Clothing department.
Do we have a light round here, or?
It should automatically go on. It might go on, it might not.
Oh, it's not too bad actually. I can see it on camera. It's just a little bit darker.
Yeah, a little bit dingy.
But it's, I mean, again, it's a huge space.
This is what we were talking. So just the space that we're stood in at the moment and the bit that we've just walked through is the same size as in Moto.
Right, so just this like L shape.
Yes, just this L shape is the same size as in Moto.
It might even be bigger, you know. Certainly feels longer.
Yeah.
But one thing I've noticed is there's a lot of little side rooms and off. So are these going to be staying, or are they going to be going?
No, these will be going. What we need, and like everybody likes and wants from a motorcycle dealership, is space to walk around, and space for more.
It's just more corridors.
So that's your staircase. That'll be your staircase from coming upstairs.
So this is going to be the
downstairs in the showroom. Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
Okay. So
that's
this
where
is
we were saying where the doorway would come through. This will bring you upstairs, and then everything that we've just walked through and everything that you can see going forward, this is what needs gutting. It all needs taken out. And
so what? Because this looks like new wall here. Is this?
Come out.
So this is all going.
Yep.
So
yep.
all of that is just going to be opened up.
Yep.
This is a monster project, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It is. It's exciting though, isn't it?
It is. It's going to be amazing. I mean, I've listened to your vision. It sounds like it's going to be awesome. I just keep looking at it, thinking, how long is this going to take?
Yeah, a while.
Yeah.
Downstairs, everyone can see that it's a workable space. There are a few things to sort out at the moment, but you know you're not far off from putting bikes in. Upstairs, no, it's a project. It's something to mirror downstairs, but in the end, you'll end up with a fantastic dealership with a decent amount of number of bikes, and with all the things that people want to go with it.
Again, it's another long corridor. I don't think the camera is probably going to do this justice.
No, I don't.
Because every time you go into another room, like here, I mean, what?
It'll turn it into a usable space when you start thinking, you know, whoever was in before, yes, there are fresh plastered walls, but, you know, it's...
So is this another wall that's coming out?
This one's coming out.
Right, so all of that...
This one will be coming out, and then you go on to...
So that one and that one, so that's, again, it's making just...
You can go into that space, however, there's no light in that one, but you might just about be able to see. Yeah, it's just picking up how big.
Okay, so yeah, I can't see too much in here, but let me just walk to the wall and I'll look back at the door, because you might actually get that, just to get an idea again, because it's another fairly big room, to be fair. You get quite a lot of bikes in here.
Oh, no.
Oh, have we got lights coming on? Oh, we have.
We've got some. That wall's coming out, and that wall's coming out. Right, come on through, and I'll show you into. Basically, we're going back to where we were. So that's what was on the opposite side of that wall that you've just been in.
So, again, it's just. Is this another one where the walls are going to be coming in?
Yep.
Right, so that was on the...
Yeah, other side of that.
Right, so other side of that wall is the room I've just been into that just had the lights on. So taking that out as well. Wowza. It's a maze. And then in here, is this another where walls are going in, or is this
this one's not been decided yet. So that's another small room. On the opposite side to this, there's a little washroom. This is the old cleaner's room.
It's another decent space though, isn't it?
Yep.
I mean...
Yep.
It'd be nice to come back in a few weeks' time to
100%.
see kind of where it's progressed.
Yep. Downstairs you should notice a difference straight away. It'll look massively different and the shop will look different from the front. Upstairs probably not so much. It's a bit more of a project going forward, so it might be a bit more time, but definitely when you come back next time and have a look downstairs.
The plan is to open up downstairs to customers while upstairs is being sorted. Right, okay, that's good. Downstairs, yeah, I mean, you could put bikes in straight away, couldn't you? It's good to go downstairs, just need to get rid of the fruit and veg signs. Or sell fruit and veg as well. There's an option.
Yeah.
Come in and pick up your motorcycle and a banana. I've seen there is a Facebook group already and there's loads of people talking about it.
Yep.
And I did see a few comments about it being on a main road.
So literally as you drive past the dealership, you can either go the turn in just before you get to the dealership or the turn in just after the dealership. You follow it round and there's 25, 30 parking spaces.
In fact, I'll show that now.
Yep.
So that is the main road. So when you drive past Chester Road Motorcycles, you take your first left, which is pretty much straight after the front of the shop. You come up this road into the car park. And I believe this is another thing on the list of things that's going to be getting all done up. But the good thing is there is a car parking space or bike parking space right behind the bike shop. So where the black van is there, that is actually right at the rear of the shop. That's Cole's wheels for today, I believe. But you can see there's enough parking around here for quite a lot of cars, but you get a lot of bikes behind here. But that whole area from where the van is to just the corner there, that is the shop. So yeah, loads of room, loads of parking. So no one needs to worry about parking when the shop's open.
And there you go.
Back where we started. So that is the look round of just the sheer size of the building. Now, I'm going to, it's why I have to do loads of editing.
I can see now.
Yeah.
You might leave that in, that'd be good.
No.
No.
No, we'll leave that on the editing floor. So that is the look round done. The building itself is huge. I can see it's going to be amazing when it's done. And downstairs sounds like it's going to be done a lot quicker than upstairs, so that is good. There is already a Facebook page. So it's down as Chester Road Motorcycles. I'll put a link to the Facebook group on there as well, because if you live local, this is going to be your local motorbike shop when it's open. So there are loads of questions that I've seen on the Facebook page. I hope I've answered one in relation to car parking. As far as staff goes,
staff still taking on, still got the vacancies open on the website and also the Facebook page. We've recruited already, but we are always looking for sales staff, service department, technicians. Send your CVs over, follow the details on the Facebook page or the website. That still needs to be sorted.
So if you're looking for a job and you live local, yeah, there's an opportunity there for you. I think that's going to do us for today, but it is something I'm really interested to just see how the building changes. I want to come back in a couple of weeks if that's all right, and we'll see where we're up to then. Homes under the hammer style. I'll have to do that. I'll have to get someone to come in and value it afterwards. They do that, don't they?
Yeah, they could do. You know Dion Dublin though, are you?
No. I've not forgiven Dion Dublin for turning down Everton. Yeah, I know.
Right.
It's a long story. Anyway.
We've gone off at a tangent.
Yeah, going off on a tangent completely. Yeah, that's going to do me for today. And if you've got any questions about this new shop, if you're interested in any of those positions that Cole said, just follow the link over to the Facebook page. All the details are on there. And yeah, good luck if you're applying. But for now, that's going to do me. And I will catch you on the next one. Laters.
Oh yeah, he's a killer, that's right.